Hi guys! So, look at my frozen nails. I'll get straight into it. So, we're using MoYou from the gel bottle. We are doing a snowy set of nails because just because Christmas is over doesn't mean that you can't have winter nails still, because it's snowy still, right? Somewhere. So, we're going to do 2 coats of this one. Yeah, see, it's just not quite opaque enough. And then I wanted to try out my other stamping stuff I bought at Christmas. So we're using Noel Collection. And we're just going to do that tartan design in the corner. It doesn't work out as well as I would have liked it to. I'm going to use that rectangular clear stamper. And we're using the silver MoYou stamping polish. So you just pop that on your plate, give it a scrape, and roll your stamper. See, it doesn't go as well because I sort of like messed up a little bit when placing it on, so it went a little bit wonky. Can you see? So we're going to use that Brill dark silver gel paint, chromy silver. It is a lovely chrome. And we're just going to touch up those lines. So I'm using my really thin detailer brush. So we're just going to touch those lines up. I do try and do like little crisscross lines like the stamping pattern would have been, but I just go for a solid line in the end for those ones. So yeah, I'm trying. I think I did keep those ones because those ones actually worked out okay, but the ones like at the side, they did not go okay. They did not go okay. So, but you can always start again. I just didn't have time to start again. Like, no nail is ever lost. So I was struggling with ideas of what nails to do. So I'm doing this snowy themed set for Glam Nails Challenge over on Instagram, because I think the 4th of January is snow. So this will be posted on my Instagram as well, which is the same as my YouTube. It's Polish Potions. So I can see that one was just a little bit wonky because I'd followed where the stamping line had gone, but obviously the stamp had gone wonky. So, but then we're going to do something similar to that tartan nail that you might have seen in my previous video, just because it hides a multitude of sins, and it, like, the finished nail looks really good in the end, even if I do say so myself. So I'm still using that really small detailer brush. I think this looks sort of really elegant as well. I just like the sort of creamy and grey colours with gold all together. Just think it looks nice. What else can you describe it as? So we're just going to do lines going up. So, like I did say in my other video, it was sort of like Christmas tree lights, but it's just nice, pretty chrome gel paint lines. And I'm just going to put dots like were on my other one. So if I just pop, I think 2 dots on each of the lines, and see, you can put your dots wherever you want to hide the mistakes. Because then I think this looks really nice in the end, whereas, you know, when you first stamp it, it was like, So there we go. And we're going to top coat it with that urban graffiti top coat, a shiny top coat. I have a feeling it would have looked like nice the other way with like how I'd done the previous tartan nail, like matte, and then done the rose goldy gel paint champagne one on top of it as the shiny bit, but never mind. So second nail, we're using that white from Dali Artistic. If you've not looked at their website, they currently have it's like a spin the wheel type thing. Oh yeah, we're using Snow Queen because obviously snow. Yeah, so they have this like spin wheel where you can win prizes. So I won a voucher code if I got a free lamp if I spent £100. Oh yeah, so sorry, back to the nails. We're wiping off that tacky layer because we are using alcohol inks again. So wipe off your sticky tacky layer, and I'm using silver this time. We used the pink and purple and blue in the frozen set of nails, but really I just wanted a grey marbly look, so I didn't even really have to manipulate this all that much. But you've got to let it dry before you put a top coat on. Otherwise it just smudges away. So we're just popping that top coat on. Yeah, so if you want any bargains or deals, go to Dali Artistic at the minute. See, it's just how I imagined. Next nail, we are using slate grey. This is going to be another stamping nail. So I think I only bother with one coat of this because you can see it looks quite opaque with just the one coat. And only a 30-second cure. And then we're going to use this stamping plate festive collection. I think I got it from a D-stash rather than their actual website possibly. But we're using Frosted Lake to stamp. Now this one I do redo because it went wrong. Because as I put the stamp to the nail to line it up, I accidentally stamped a part of it down. So then when I tried to stamp the rest of it, well, just watch. See, it went all askew. So I've left that in though because, it's, quite acceptable to start again. So we're going back over. Oh yeah, and my nail was coming off the little holder at that point as well. So I'm like trying to stick it back down. So start again, slate grey as the base. So don't make the same mistake as me. Like line it up, yes, but not too close to the actual nail. I see it's stamped way better the second time anyway, so. And on we go. Woohoo! And then I'm just going to stamp the tiny last bit at the bottom. I don't think I show that though, because there was a snowflake left on the stamp. So we're going to top coat that with Magpie Beauty. I'm still trying to work out whether I like the Magpie one better. I think I'm liking the Urban Graffiti top coat better at the moment, but we'll see in a couple of weeks how these nails have fared. See? Pretty. And for the last nail that I'm doing, because I'm only doing 4 nails in this little set, we're using sort of a lighter midnight blue, I'd maybe say. It's like bluey purple. I think I possibly should have just done this in grey, actually, to match the rest of the set, but this was how I drew it originally. So we're going to do snow at the bottom, and what we're going to do is we're going to chrome that. I was going to do glitter, but then I thought, everybody always does glitter snow, so we'll chrome it. So you put your top coat on, your no wipe top coat, just on the little snow bit that you're wanting to chrome, and we're using Nikki Chrome from Nail Stamping Queen. So I got this for Christmas, actually, so this was the first time I was using this one. So I find it easier with an eyeshadow applicator. So you just pop it all along the bit that you want. Oh, it does shine nice. And then we're going to base coat that because I'm obviously not finished with the nail yet. If you've watched my Winter Wonderland nails, we're doing something similar. We are doing a sort of like snowy tree. So we're using the black and white gel paints from Magpie Beauty and my really thin detailer brush, which you are going to want for this. Trees are so easy to do. You just need to sort of draw a line down the middle and then like a triangle, basically. So fill it in and then cure that. And then we're going to do the details afterwards. But it's so simple to do. So we're just going to use... It's probably better to use gel paint for this one, but I did do my other one with gel polish. So you're just sort of doing like the flicks of the branches, like off to the side. So it's really simple. Just want to make sure you've got enough on the brush each time you do it. Because sometimes it doesn't show up very well and then you're like going over it and then it makes it thicker. So best to do it first time with this one. Just make sure you've got enough. So cure that, and then we're going to go in with the white gel paint now to do the snow. So you just sort of, well, doing the same, just like just little blobs here and there, like beep, 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 beep. Oh. So just do it on either side of the tree. Well, as much snow as you want, really. But I feel it looks better and you kind of get what it is the more snow there is on it. I don't know if you feel the same, but whatever. And then we're going to use that Frozen inspired stamping plate again that we used in the last video. We're using Frosted Lake. I just wanted a snowflake in the top left hand corner. Or did I do it to the side? I can't remember. And then we're obviously going to do dots because gotta have dots, haven't you, for the rest of the snow. So scrape, roll the stamp on, take off all the extra little bits that you don't want. I usually do that with the scraper, just like because you don't want to be putting anything harmful on that stamper. So then we're just going to dot about with the white gel paint for all the extra snow. I can't remember what the next prompt is for the nails that I'm going to do. It might be, I don't know. So we're going to top it off with Magpie Beauty. It does go on really well. I'm just not sure. I think I do prefer the Urban Graffiti one, I'm not going to lie. So really simple but effective snowy nail that's not got glitter on it. So this is the set, guys. I hope you like it. Stick around for some more. It would be lovely if you could give me a like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means everything to me. Thanks for watching. Bye.